Hi guys, this is Sarah Perry and this is my website. I had a hard time making it just because of different technical difficulties, so it's not completely done yet, but it's getting there, working on it. So this is my um, landing page. It has a picture and just a quick um, about and just like a easy to see explanation of what I'm doing. So I decided to make my website my portfolio. So I was going for simple, easy to read, quick information. So if I scroll down, all my posts are down here at the bottom. The different categories that they fall under. So I have different writings that I'm trying to showcase and different designs and a couple public relations campaigns that I put together. So if I click on one of these, it takes you to the page, and it has um, different categories within the page. So feature stories, um, press releases I've done, and just click on those, and it will take you to that within the page. And then to get back, and then there's a design page. That shows just the different things that I've worked on with designing, some links to PDFs for those to showcase that. And then also at the side of these pages, I have a drop-down menu for different categories, for the different categories, so you can go in between them a little bit faster. So you could go straight to the public relations campaigns. I just have a couple of those that have links to the PDFs so that you can see them and scroll through and see the work that I've done. Yeah, this was really, it was a fun project to work on. It was something that I've never done before, and so it was very, very new, but it was a great learning experience, and I'm happy to have those skills, and I'm excited to see all of your guys' websites. Thanks.